In front of me is a Realme GT Neo 3, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, pull down your notification panel, expand it, and locate the toggle, which for me is on the second page, second toggle, as you can see right over here. Now this is the default location of the toggle, so hopefully you can find it in the same exact place. Anyway, once you find it, the first time around I recommend holding it. This will take you to the settings where you can customize how the mode actually functions. I do recommend doing this just the first time around. Later on, you don't need to come back here ever again once you set it up. So go over the settings right here, change them to your liking. Probably the most important ones would be things like exceptions for notifications, messages, and calls. So you can choose who will bypass the mode when it's enabled. And another option that might be important is a schedule. So here you can set up a schedule, and as long as you enable the schedule right here, the phone will turn on Do Not Disturb mode automatically based on the setup right here. And you don't need to do anything extra. You don't need to turn it on or off. Just make sure that this toggle right here is enabled if you want to utilize the schedule. For everybody else who is planning to use it manually, all you have to do is find the toggle. Once you set it up, click on it, select turn on, and it is right now running. And you can see this with that tiny little moon icon right here. So that is how you enable it. Once you're done with it, you can go back to the toggle, tap on it once more, and this will turn it off. So anyway, this is how you can set it up and use your Do Not Disturb mode. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.